This was such an easy switch, but I love how this rug looks by our front door. The company sent it to me to test out, and this floral design is really pretty with neutral colors and just a few pops of color. It works really well with our entryway without being too bold. I was also surprised by how soft this is. It is thick, it feels really well made, and it has such a nicer quality than a typical doormat. The textured surface helps trap the dirt and the debris from our shoes, and it has a non-slip backing, so it keeps it from sliding around when we're coming in and out. I also like that it gives us a larger, softer spot to step onto when we come inside. This is the 32 by 48 inch, and it covers a good amount of space in front of the door while still keeping the entryway looking clean and put together. This is also low profile, so our door can open over it very easily. I wanted something that could handle the traffic at our door, but still look nice, and this one checks both of those boxes. I love the design, the quality feels great, and it looks beautiful in this space.